Many viewers, many friends, many students demanded me to make a video on how to deal with negative people. So here I am. Hello friends, my name is Arvind Das. I'm your special friend. As a special friend, I invite you, I welcome you all to my YouTube channel. Friends, how to deal with negative people? He is a negative person. She is a negative person. Oh my God, so much of negativity, so many negative people. How to escape? How to deal with these people? I'm pretty sure you all might have come across similar kind of situations. Yes or no? So how to deal with these people? Friends, there are certain people with whom you do not have to meet on regular basis. Very occasionally you have to meet. There are some people with whom you do not share any relationship. There are some people who may not be that important for you. So those people you can prefer to avoid. But there are certain people with whom you have to meet, you have to deal on regular basis, that is on personal level, on professional level, and also on social level. So how to deal with those difficult people particularly, let's learn. Friends, people are not their behavior. Let me repeat, people are not their behavior. There is no absolute negative person, there is no absolute positive person. If we talk about Mahabharata, then even Duryodhana was not absolutely a negative person. You have to agree. He too had certain good qualities like benevolence, friendship, etc. Yes, many of his actions were actually negative. So here the idea is, in today's era, good qualities and negative qualities exist in every human being. So solution is, can we change our perception towards the other person who is speaking negative? Can we convert our negative perception into positive perception? Can we be a little bit more positive in those situations and find out at least one good quality in that other person? And can we start discussing about that particular good quality with that other person? In this process, the negativity will be crushed, your negative emotion will decrease, his or her negative emotion will also decrease. Now the second technique is, when someone says negative things, can we observe his or her language patterns? And what to do with that? After observing the language patterns, let's challenge the language patterns by asking the right question politely, positively, and logically. Now, how to do that? Let me share some examples. Suppose somebody says that Narendra Modi, he is an uneducated PM. He is fit for nothing. Achhe din nahi aane wale hain. So immediately you can challenge that person by asking these kind of questions. Friend, haven't you ever seen an uneducated person becoming an effective leader? Haven't you ever seen an uneducated person doing wonders, performing better than the educated persons in different sectors? Haven't you ever seen an educated person performing very poorly? Haven't you seen an educated person becoming an ineffective leader? Suppose for example, if somebody says that the bottle is very expensive, you can immediately challenge by asking, okay, the bottle is expensive in comparison to what exactly? If somebody says Abhishek Bachchan, he is the worst actor ever, immediately you can challenge him by asking, Abhishek Bachchan is the worst actor according to whom? If somebody says that she always scolds me, immediately you can challenge by asking, are you sure that she always scolds you? Are you sure she always scolds you? Haven't you noticed whenever she appreciates you? Haven't you noticed whenever she compliments you? Haven't you noticed whenever she talks to you in a very polite manner? So here the idea is, by asking these kind of logical questions, you are actually helping the other person to think even more logically. And in this process also, the negativity will decrease. If you go deep, then you will notice and realize that many of the negative statements said by people are either completely illogical or half illogical. So it's better to challenge them with logical questions. But yes, you have to do it in a polite manner. Third technique is, if somebody is criticizing someone or criticizing you particularly, in that situation, what you can do, can we become a unique personality and imagine something unique? Why imagination? Because I strongly believe that due to imagination, a lot of problems have already occurred on this planet. So my question here is, why can't, with the help of imagination, we can bring possible solutions also? So can we imagine that particular person as a cartoon when he or she is speaking negative? Can we imagine that particular person as a child? So when we start thinking all these things, what will happen? We will start laughing within. We'll start saying that, अरे बच्चा है, बोलने दो, छोड़ो यार, बच्चा ही तो है. So in this process also, your aggression will decrease, your negative emotion will decrease, and you will be in a much better position to deal with that other person. Friends, I'm not sure that whether these techniques are going to make a huge difference instantly, but certainly these techniques are going to make a small difference at least instantly. And we all know that small differences also count. So let us implement these techniques to deal with to deal with negative talks, not negative people. Thank you so much for watching my video. Keep watching my videos. See you in the next video. Thank you so much once again. Namaskar. Bye-bye.